Hi everyone, welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make egg drop soup. Everyone loves egg drop soup from their local Chinese restaurant. All you need is 5 ingredients and it comes together in about 10 minutes. It's great on a rainy day, a cold day, when it's snowing. It really soothes the soul. So let's get cooking. For this recipe, we're going to need 1/4 a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 eggs, and 4 cups of chicken stock. First, we're going to make our slurry to thicken up the soup. We're going to take 1/4 cup of the stock and go into the cornstarch. Get that mixed up. Now let's head over to the stove and make the soup. We're going to get the stock on a medium-high heat and bring it up to a simmer. We're going to add in our ground ginger and our soy sauce. Let's bring this up to a simmer, and then we're going to add in the eggs. It is at a low simmer, right where we want it. We're going to go in with the eggs. Now I recommend using a spoon of some sort, because if you use a whisk or a fork, it's going to break down the egg ribbons too much to where it's not going to come together. So we're going to slowly pour in our eggs and stir slowly as well. And this is how you get those beautiful ribbons of eggs. See that coming together? Perfect. And now in with our cornstarch as well. Those eggs are cooking as soon as they hit the broth, so there's nothing to worry about. Stir this back up. And with the cornstarch mixture. Let this cook for about 45 seconds. Don't stir it too much or it's going to fall apart. For good measure, let's add a little bit of pepper. Can't go wrong with pepper. Beautiful. Alright, let's go get a taste of this. Alright, we're going to ladle the soup into our bowl. Just like so. Top ours with a little bit of chives to add some color. There we go. Let's get up and have a taste of this. Alright, let's taste this. It's so rich, packed with umami, tons of flavor. The soy sauce adds a depth of flavor that's real distinct. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? I got some good stuff coming out. Thanks for joining us. One more thing. Let's get up to 1,500 subs and I'll do a giveaway. Not sure what we're going to give away yet, but let's get there. Thanks guys. Thanks for stopping in. See ya.